must believe that God is who he says he is and who he has proved to us that he is. He has proved to you already that he can conquer giants in your life. So what about the new giants coming? This is the different spirit that Joshua and Caleb had. They remembered what God did for them in the past. They remembered that God defeated Pharaoh, the biggest kind of giant with the hardest heart, who said no, never. And God defeated him. What about the giants in the promised land? What about them? They are going down just like Pharaoh went down. This is the different spirit of Joshua and Caleb that you must have. Don't be like the rest of the Israelites that forgot what God did, that forgot who God proved himself to be already. God has done enough in your life. You gotta remember and value what he's shown you. He doesn't change. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. The giants look different. They can even look bigger, but he will keep bringing you victory every single time.